Myself, Krishna, and this is Shruti. And this is our 2BHK apartment in SK Cosmos. Whose interior has been carried out beautifully by Decotales. We came across Decotales in one of the interior exhibition which was held in Bangalore, and we were impressed by their previous works and how they have explained all the intricacies of the interior designing and explaining discussing our plans with them, all those things. We were really impressed. I would say it came out pretty nice, and it has exceeded our expectation.
I can say the entire process was smooth and hassle-free. From the designing phase itself, the designing team truly listened to my needs and preference, and it turned out a space what I exactly imagined. Thanks to the entire team for creating such a beautiful home what I imagined.